Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's super important in our hyper-connected world, cybersecurity. Did you know that a cyber attack happens every 39 seconds? Yep, it's that frequent. With such alarming stats, it's crucial for both individuals and businesses to really get a handle on cybersecurity. So let's break it all down from what it is to why it's essential and, of course, how you can protect yourself. Ready? Let's go. First up, what exactly is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity is a mix of practices, technologies, and processes designed to shield your networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. With the rapid growth of digital tech, the threats are becoming more sophisticated, but it's not just about tech, it's also about people. Knowing how attacks happen helps you put measures in place to protect your info and maintain your reputation. Imagine your sensitive data falling into the wrong hands. Scary, right? That's why a solid cybersecurity strategy is a must. Now, why is cybersecurity so important? Well, cybercrime is one of the fastest growing criminal activities globally, affecting businesses, individuals, and even governments. The financial and reputational hits can be catastrophic. Plus, in this age, where personal data is a prime target, protecting it is crucial to prevent privacy breaches and maintain trust. And let's not forget about legal compliance. Regulations like GDPR and HIPAA have strict rules, and non-compliance can lead to hefty fines. Lastly, cyber attacks can disrupt business operations big time, so having security measures in place is vital to keep things running smoothly. So what are the key elements of cybersecurity? First, threat assessment. Before you can protect your digital assets, you need to know what threats are out there. Cyber threats come in various forms. Malware. This nasty software is designed to harm or exploit programmable devices or networks. Phishing, fraudulent attempts to steal sensitive info by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. Ransomware, this type of malware encrypts your files and demands a ransom for decryption. Denial of service, DOS, an attack that overloads systems, making them unavailable to users. Recognizing these threats is step one in building a strong cybersecurity defense. Next, let's talk security protocols. Implementing robust security protocols is crucial. Here are some key ones. 1. Firewalls. They act as barriers between your secure internal network and untrusted external ones, filtering traffic based on security rules. 1. Antivirus software. This tool detects, prevents, and removes malware. Keeping it updated is essential for max protection. 1. Encryption, converting data into a coded format to prevent unauthorized access, especially vital for transactions and sensitive info. Finally, let's look at some emerging trends in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming big players. They analyze massive data sets, detect patterns, and identify threats before they escalate. Zero Trust architecture assumes threats could be anywhere, inside or outside the network, advocating for strict user verification and continuous monitoring. And with the shift to cloud services, cloud security is crucial to protect data in these environments. In conclusion, cybersecurity isn't optional anymore. It's a necessity. With the rise of cyber threats, understanding and implementing the critical elements of cybersecurity is essential for everyone. Stay vigilant and informed, and you'll be better equipped to protect your digital world. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay safe out there.